Okay guys, you don't know this, but this is the third time I've made this video because I keep messing up. So, here we go. Alright, so this one's a little bit different. You're actually going to make this with me while I'm talking on the video, so you might want to watch it through one time and then go back, watch it again, and do it with me. So, of course, the first thing you need is to make sure you're on level 2, DIY 2, Friends of 10. Then go find you 6 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter if it's the actual colors of the rainbow, just get you 6 different colors. And we're going to start numbering these boxes. Now, this middle part is the part that kept messing me up. I kept forgetting that 5 is going to repeat. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my 5. 5 is going to be down there twice. Okay. And then the next time I messed up, I forgot to start at 0. So I'm going to make sure I start at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 5 repeats again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let me show you how you can use, this is called a Friends of 10 rainbow, to say all of the combinations with 2 add-ins that make 10. Now remember, I'm not trying to necessarily make this rainbow look like a real rainbow, so I'm just going to pick a color. And you can see how it's got one part of the rainbow that stretches from 0, and if you follow that, it's going to connect to 10, okay? So I'm going to color this. Now, you guys pretend like I'm doing a good job coloring. You're going to color way better than me. So watch this. The 0, follow it over, connects to the 10. 0 and 10 make 10. Now I'm going to pick a different color. Okay. This ray of the rainbow starts over here by 1. Color. Hopefully you're doing a way better job than I'm doing in the coloring department. And let's see what it's connected to. 1 and 9 make 10. We could also say 1 plus 9 makes 10. Alright, go grab me another color. Starting at 2. There we go. Pretend like it's all lovely and pretty and neat. And let's follow the ray of the rainbow. So 2 and 8 make 10, or I could say 2 plus 8 makes 10. Alright, next color, whatever's clever. Right, so let's see where the blue one leads. So the blue one starts here at 3. 3 and 7 make 10, or I could say 3 plus 7 makes 10. Alright, moving on. Let's see what purple tells us. 4 and 6 make 10, or I could say 4 plus 6 make 10. I could even figure out the switcheroo by going backwards and saying 6 and 4 make 10, or I could say 6 plus 4 make 10. Alright, now I'm going to grab my last color, which I realize I'm probably repeating some colors, but I'm not worried about it. Now let's practice reading this. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. Okay. So, we've done all the ones going from the left side to the right side. Let's do it on this side, going from the right side to the left side. 10 and 0 make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. 8 and 2 make 10. 7 and 3 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. There you go, my friend. There is your Friends of 10 rainbow. Enjoy.